everyone, this is Renee Tuttle, and I'm the Agriculture and Natural Resources Extension Agent for the West Plains Extension District. And today I come bearing gifts. Let's open them up and see what they are.
Cooking spray and WD-40, that can only mean one thing, gifts to help with soil sampling season. Is the fertilizer market keeping you up at night and you need help analyzing those soil sampling results? Well, then join us December 16th in Scott City at 9 a.m. or Sublette at 2 p.m. for a soil fertility workshop, where the experts will be sharing fertilizer options, nutrient requirements, and economic factors affecting the market. Come prepared with questions and be ready for great discussion. Mark it on your calendar and visit the West Plains Extension Facebook page to RSVP today. Ready or not, it's calving season. Join us January 6th in Lakin at the Kearney County Fairgrounds at 6 p.m. for calving school. We will be discussing the normal calving process, when to intervene, how to manage a difficult birth, nutrition, and see a live hands-on demonstration with a life-size cow-calf model. Be sure to RSVP as we will be having an amazing meal sponsored by Multi-Men and Lakin Dairy. Do you have all your bills and receipts in a shoebox and don't know where to start? Join us for the Risk Management Skills for Kansas Women in Agriculture 4-part workshop series in Garden City beginning January 12th. This series will teach principles of determining cost of production, developing a marketing plan, purchasing crop insurance, and participating in farm programs. The goal is for participants to acquire risk management skills they can apply directly to their own farming operations. Other special topics include managing stress and being resilient in tough times, and communicating effectively with family members. There's also an optional 5th session that will cover beef, cow, calf risk management. Visit agmanager.info to learn more and RSVP today. The Monopoly Man in Grain, that can only mean one thing, the game of grain marketing. Do you not even know where to start? Join us February 1st in Leota for the Winning the Game Corn Marketing Workshop. We'll be focusing on using corn cost of production for price strategy targets, seasonal price trend-based pre-harvest strategies, using seasonal flexibility in 2021 corn marketing plans, and pre-harvest marketing tools. More details will be coming out soon.
We look forward to seeing you this winter at our programs. Thank you and happy holidays from the West Plains Extension District. Oh, what do I say? I don't know. What
That's good until you made the
do I need to say my name again?
if you want to.
Say my name, say my name.